大家好 Hello everyone, my name is Sam. I'm the CEO of Subquery. It's really our honor to join this bootcamp program. Subquery's mission is to make the world's decentralized data more accessible. Every blockchain team needs to process and query data, but the data on a chain is stored in a horrible format to read and query. It can take hours to traverse the entire chain to get the information that you need in your app. Subquery is here to make this faster and easier. In short, Subquery allows app developers to focus on their core use case on the front end without needing to waste time on building a custom backend for data processing. Subquery is built by the team at Finality, Portal's largest infrastructure provider. We believe that the thriving Portal ecosystem needs the key tools and infrastructure to allow us to build the future. Development team shouldn't spend time managing infrastructure. We are here to help teams with that. We are a small but growing team all based in New Zealand, Auckland. I'm now going to introduce Ian, our Chief Technology Officer, who will talk to you about how Subquery works.
Hi everyone, it's really good to be talking to my hometown. I wish I could be there with you today. As Sam said, Subquery is a data as a service provider that aggregate and organize data from Portal projects, serving up well-structured data for developers to use for a wide array of projects. Our tools are open source. Anyone can create a Subquery project that defines the 4 steps. Firstly, you specify what data is extracted from the chain. For example, only certain calls or events, or just every blocks. You then transform this data using mapping functions to get whatever you want in models that you define. You have complete freedom for that. Then you use Subquery node to save this data in a format that you can have access fast database that are automatically indexed for speed. Now that you have the right data in the right format in a fast database, you can query this using GraphQL from anywhere in the world. Whether that's your new website, an online application, or even a mobile application. Subquery operates between the layer 1 blockchains, for example, Acala or Bifrost, and the application layer. This service allows the app developers to focus on their core use case and front-end without needing to waste time on building a custom backend for data processing. James, our head of business development, will now walk you through where we are and what we are here for.
Thanks, Ian. Subquery is already on the market providing real data to real customers right now. We already have open source CLI tools to create and manage your own Subquery projects, just as Ian mentioned. But better yet, we have an online managed service where you can publish your own project to and we'll run it for you. We'll run the indexer and query service for free in our high-performance infrastructure. It goes back to our guiding principles that development teams shouldn't have to focus on running infrastructure, they should focus on building. So today, you can explore our public projects at explorer.subquery.network. We're focused on building products that work and are reliable. That's why both Acala and Bifrost trust Subquery to provide data to their applications. But now we're expanding and we're looking forward to taking part in this bootcamp. We have 3 goals. The first is to build a larger community in China. Most of our team are from China and we want to be closer to the huge amount of development and amazing projects that are coming out of here so we can help them expand and grow. Secondly, we want to engage more closely with the amazing teams here at this bootcamp. Some of the teams here are building incredible things. And as a service provider for blockchain teams, we want to understand what you need to help you achieve your goals faster. Our success depends on the success of our customers. And lastly, but most importantly, we're starting our journey to build a chain that Subquery will be tokenized on. We're planning to build this chain and launch our first testnet right here during this bootcamp. There are some amazing projects and a huge amount of talent in this bootcamp. Sam, Ian and I, and the rest of the Subquery team are thrilled to be a part of it. We can't wait to get started building the future with you all. Thank you.